In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money with Binance Simple Earn, and I will explain this Simple Earn. I will show you the evidence of making money with this Simple Earn. So, this Simple Earn is basically you staking BNB on Binance, and right here you have option to stake flexible. You can stake in this right here. Subscribe right now and just anytime you want your BNB, you can just unstake your token and sell your token at any time given time you want to sell your token. But if you be locking your token for 15 days, you won't have access to your token. The same thing until 15 days run out. The same thing happened to this 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, and 120 days. So, given that you know about this information, this where you'll be able to make money with this. So right there, you'll be enjoying this APR right here. So this is the APR will be getting if you'll be sticking for these days. So you'll be enjoying APY and you'll be getting Binance airdrop order. So Binance order airdrop. So Binance have already airdrop 2 token to their Simple Earn order. So this is the top token Binance will be airdropping to people who is using this Simple Earn right here. So right now, Binance has already taken snapshot of users who is using this token from this period of time. 2 of this month, December 2024, to 5 of this month, 23 o'clock 59 minutes UTC time, and the move order airdrop page is estimated to be available in 5 hours, and the new token will be distributed to user spot wallet 1 hour before trading starts. So you'll be able to get your token on Binance spot wallet and have potentially sell your token when this token started trading. You have access to this token 1 hour before this token started trading on Binance. So you can just come over here and stake your token. Remember, the more token you stake, the more access you have to airdrop. Just take this video as educational purpose, and if you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I will see you on the next video.